When she's dancing with him, forgetting what she told me by the water fountain.
Now he's grabbing her hips and pulling her in, kissing her lips and whispering in her ear. And she knows that she shouldn't